Managing Director of Techno Design Optical Factory Hong Kong Limited. We are the designer, manufacturer for high quality optical frame and sunglasses. And our factory is located in Shenzhen, and our office, design team, sales office is in Guangzhou. Both are in China, and we are exporting all over the world, mainly to Europe, USA, Middle East, and we are making the most of the high quality products. So this is our factory, and today I just want to give some briefing about our acetate production plan. Before production, very important thing is the technical drawing. So this technical drawing, we have the drawing department for make the technical drawings. And this is very important. Before finish the drawing, we need to double check with the samples, with the prototypes, exactly the drawing. If drawing mistake, the production will be problem. So we have our main drawing department and design department in Guangzhou, but in the factory also we have one parts drawing department that we are here. So that's why now we are to go to a new production, one new customer order. So before this thing, we are checking. This is the engineer. We are checking the drawing one by one. This is with the technical team. So this is one important point. Now I am describe you the production process. Please come. It is automatic CNC machine for making the acetate front and temple. Now you can see it is a fully automatic CNC engraving machine. So now you can see there is the front acetate front is cutting automatically. Even this machine can cutting all the edge in at a time. You can see the machine is automatically change the space, and the needle is cutting all the place together. Okay, so this is a very efficient machine, and this machine is controlled by the screen. Means you can give your input in the screen, how many pieces you need, what is the details, and additionally the drawing you can input here. So it is very important for acetate front and temple making. It is this is the process for making the groove. It means in the acetate frame you need to fit the lens, correct? So this machine is for that. Now you see this is the groove. So means if the groove is problem, then lens come out. So groove matter important. So here we are making the groove, and sometimes inside the dirty part need to be take out. So that's why he's spraying the air. Okay. Now you will see that the groove is ready, and this is the important process. So groove need to be enough depth that lens should not be come out. That is a technical matter. Now you see. You see here, yeah, you can see the groove now. Okay, so this we making in this process. It is temple making department, acetate temple making department. Okay, so there is a one important part is the wire shooting. Means in the acetate temple inside have one metal core wire. You see there is a heating box. Okay, in the heating box first we need to keep the temple and make it heat. It is like a, you can say, bread, very soft. After that this acetate temple need to fix in this. Yeah, you can see here. that is we need to fix in this machine, and then wire need to pass inside. So in this process you can make wire shooting, also you can make inside hole, also you can cut the front. Means there are multifunction for this process. So you can think this is a wire shooting process. It is a hinge inserting process. You can say hinge fitting also. In the acetate frames, for fitting the hinge, for insert the hinge, this is the process. You see the machine going inside. It is polishing plant, means every acetate frame need the polish by hand. So that is actually the reason it is called hand make acetate. So the polishing need very perfect and need efficient polishman for doing this job, because if polishing problem, then the finishing will be a problem. So this is a very important part for acetate production plant. Now we are in the laser marking department. Means any brand need to be branding, and in the metal surface need the laser marking. So you can see here. Here is the how we make the laser marking. You see there will be the laser. You see, yes, you see here already the laser marked. Again you see, yes, this is the laser marking. So now you can see how it look after the laser marking. Okay, let's wait 1 second. It will become automatically. Yes, now you can see. You can see here is the laser marking. So this is the laser marking process. This is tumbling. Means the acetate parts, means the front and the acetate, for polishing, before polishing need tumbling. Means it need to be 48 hours rotation continuously automatically day and night for make more shiny and make more quality. Means if you want to make high quality production, then tumbling part very important. You need to be 48 hours continuously tumbling. So this is the tumbling, you can say, how to say, means it is the tumbling material. Here is the lens cutting unit. Means now is the demo lens. What is the demo lens? You see, this is a frame, right? And you can see this is the demo lens, because for lens forming we need one demonstration lens. So now I show you how it's cut. You see, this is the round lens inside, and now it is cutting. Now you see it is cutting and then come out according to the shape of the frame. So it is a demo cutting, and it is a printing. Means for any frame we need to print the details. Means the model, size, color, the brand name, logo, we need to print. And this is mainly our main business, because every frame need to be branding. So branding we are doing with the printing. This is a pad printing machine. Now this worker, our worker, they making the printing on the demo lens. So this is a pad printing machine, and it is a automatic the printing. You can see. In this process we make the printing, and same process also can make the printing in the temple or in the other parts of the frame. So now we are coming in the end. You can say it is a packing department. Packing department means before dispatching to the customer, this is a packing department. Actually, see, there is many process, but otherwise video will be very long. So I don't make you so long video. So this one is last one, and here we need to check all the details. Means the frame is okay or not. You can say this is also a part of quality checking and packing together. Okay. So now it is the ending process. Now also we are checking the bending is okay or not, or frame any side damage or not, polishing okay or not. So it means all the thing. And after that, when it is confirmed, then we need to put in the packing. Okay. So these are the process, more or less. And now you can see it is a finished, means it is already finished, and this is the acetate material, means it is actually the first one. When we get the material from the material factory, we keep like this way. This is all the acetate raw material, and it is the spare parts, means we need to use the spare parts, metal parts, and also some we import from Germany. So you can see the OB hinge and the metal parts. Hello viewers, I hope you like this video. If you have any your own brand that you are selling in your country, any part of Europe, USA, or any part of world, or you are coming to order in China or any part, so also you can order to us your brand. From beginning to end we will take care, from the designing, from the manufacturing to export, including the packaging, logo design, everything we have in-house. So this time, and you can also meet with us in next Hong Kong fair, optical fair. It is in November. Or also you can meet with us in next Silmo. It is in Paris, France. Of course, I think this time Silmo will be happen, but for pandemic I cannot confirm exactly. But you will get my next video on this also. So you have my mobile number, that +86 15889953 and also have email in the bottom of the video, so you can contact anytime for make your brand. We are the brand maker. Thank you so much viewers. See you in next video. Thank you.